The airtopper inflatable cover simplifies truck camping by offering a cozy and weatherproof shelter, eliminating the usual struggles of traditional tents. Its portable design ensures easy setup and dismantling. In addition to that, the Tune Outdoors M1 camper elevates the truck camping experience. It boasts a spacious interior and customizable features, ensuring comfort while maintaining mobility for adventurous enthusiasts. Furthermore, the SharpTech truck bed merges lightweight materials with cutting-edge technology. This combination enhances fuel efficiency and offers customizable elements tailored for a variety of outdoor and professional requirements. Moreover, the universal retrofit step facilitates safe access to truck beds, particularly for children and individuals with mobility challenges. This device enhances safety during loading and unloading tasks. In the same vein, the truck bed extender increases cargo capacity while prioritizing safety and convenience. It's particularly useful for transporting larger items, such as kayaks or construction materials. The decked toolboxes offer a waterproof solution with customizable organization for tools. They cater to the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring efficient gear management on any job. Additionally, weather-resistant lights enhance visibility and safety in low-light conditions. They add a stylish flair to your truck while ensuring durability and longevity in performance. Along similar lines, the bed-mounted spare tire carrier provides peace of mind for off-road adventures. Its rugged design combines practicality and style, seamlessly integrating with your truck's aesthetics. Transitioning to camping, the Cybertruck Camper Kit transforms your vehicle into a sophisticated camping hub. It offers outdoor enthusiasts a blend of convenience and luxury thanks to its comprehensive design. Meanwhile, the tailgate ladder presents a safe solution for accessing truck beds, especially in taller models. It enhances convenience for all truck owners and supports weights of up to 300 pounds. Continuing this trend, the BedSlide cargo system redefines truck beds by creating sliding platforms. This innovation brings gear within easy reach while supporting loads of up to 1,000 pounds, minimizing physical strain. Precision-engineered bed covers add an extra layer of protection against the elements and theft while keeping your truck looking sharp. They also include customizable storage options, making them essential for security-minded truck owners. Custom bumpers by Flog deliver robust protection paired with a modern aesthetic. They enhance safety during low-speed collisions and can be modified for specific truck models, accommodating various features. The Pierce Dump Bed Kit effectively converts your truck into a dump truck, simplifying the hauling and unloading of heavy materials. Its hydraulic system handles loads up to 2 tons smoothly. In terms of accessibility, the Easy Hitch Step provides a practical way to reach tall truck beds. Its compact, foldable design supports significant weight, further enhancing everyday convenience. Similarly, the Flip Step features an ingenious folding mechanism that ensures a rattle-free experience during transit, contributing to a smooth ride essential for travel. Finally, the durable construction of the Flip Step and camping accessories guarantees long-lasting performance. They are designed to withstand tough conditions while retaining a sleek appearance suitable for any truck. Air-compressible camping accessories present lightweight and compact solutions for outdoor enthusiasts. They ensure easy transport and quick setup of camping gear, maximizing space without compromising comfort.